Okay, so we're graphing these systems of equations, and the way we've been doing them in class is we are using Desmos to graph the lines, and then we have to transfer those lines over to deltamath for these particular problems. You have to graph both lines on this coordinate plane, then you have to write the solution. That's where the two lines intersect. All right, so here's my problem, and this is from the second set, the set 2. We have the y equals negative x plus 4, 3x minus 2y is equal to 2. So in Desmos, this is what the screen will look like when you start it. And I suggest to set it up so you can look at both of the apps at the same time. And in Desmos, we want to type in the equations exactly as we see them. So we have y equals negative x plus 4. It's our first equation, and there's our first line. Second equation, I'll go ahead and type that in. We have 3x minus 2y
2 minutes. Second lunch will be
equals 2. So there's our second equation. Okay, so we need to transfer both of these lines over to our deltamath grid. And the way you have to graph in deltamath is you have to select 2 points that the line passes through. When you select the 2 points, I suggest you look at one of the lines. It doesn't matter which one. I'll just start with this green one, and you select the 2 intercepts. Okay, so your y-intercept and your x-intercept. Okay, and we just tap those same points over here, and it copies the line. Okay, then when we go to the second line, you want to select one of the intercepts. Okay, and then select the point where the 2 lines cross. You want to always select that intersection point last. So we have negative 1 and we have 2, 2, and that copied the line. Okay, now the solution is where those 2 lines intersect, which is 2, 2. So we can enter it in. 2, 2. Okay, so all you need is the parentheses, the numbers, and the comma. Submit, and hopefully, yeah. So that's it. It's tedious. The main thing is whenever you select your points to draw your lines, select that intersection point last. Okay, and it makes it so much easier if you can open up the 2 apps at the same time on the same screen, so you don't have to flip back and forth between the 2. And yeah, that's if you can get that down, then you should be fine.